if you can't see it, then you don't know where it's at. And if you don't know where it's at, then it could be anywhere and blah, 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 blah. And that's how I feel right now, like trapped in this room. I am currently checking out of this Airbnb and I am trapped in this room, contemplating on walking 10 blocks to a Target just to use the bathroom because unfortunately there was a huge, ginormous roach, aka water bug, in the bathroom yesterday on the sink that made me run out the bathroom screaming like a bat out of hell. I had a onesie on, just for some visuals. I had a onesie on, which means the top half was down in order for me to use the bathroom before I even seen the roach. And I ran out the bathroom with one arm in and one arm out, with my hand just covering my boob, screaming to my room. And then I put a blanket on the bottom. If you know anything about me, you know I despise roaches. My ex used to always make fun of me because I would go on a tangent like, if you can't see it, then you don't know where it's at. And if you don't know where it's at, then it could be anywhere and blah, 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 blah. And that's how I feel right now. Like, I've heard people coming out of their rooms and I guess going into the bathroom or just leaving the house this morning. I heard doors opening and closing this morning several times. So I don't know if anybody killed it. I don't know if nobody has seen it. All I've heard was doors. I haven't heard talking. I haven't heard screaming. I haven't heard killing. And so I no longer necessarily feel comfortable in the rest of the apartments. I barely felt comfortable sleeping in here last night. But I no longer feel comfortable roaming through the apartments, let alone entering the bathroom. And so I, thank God, wow, thank God. Today is my last day and I'm checking out. However, obviously I have to use the bathroom. I washed my face with baby wipes. I have not brushed my teeth and I definitely need to use the bathroom. And I just don't feel comfortable even being in the bathroom for a 2-second piss. And so I'm literally contemplating on walking 10 blocks to a Target.